Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. If I sound a bit weird today, please excuse me because it's quite early in the morning. At least for me, it's 5:30 in the morning and I'm filming. So today we are going to discuss teeth whitening at home. That is going to save you from long, hectic and tiring dentist visits. I used quite a few home remedies to whiten my teeth, but nothing worked honestly. And I was not too fussed about whitening my teeth actually, but after using Smile Brilliant to whiten my teeth, I can see what I was missing. So let's talk about this magical whitening product. So I got an email a few weeks ago from this brand called Smile Brilliant. I had heard about them from other YouTubers, so the brand name was not new to me. I was quite excited when they contacted me and they wanted to give me an opportunity to try out their products and see how I like them. So after using Smile Brilliant product for the past 8 days, I feel the difference. I feel my teeth much whiter, brighter and even toned. So I used the whitening product for 45 minutes to 1 hour each day and I saw the huge difference. Like my smile is more bright.
So once my kit arrived, I had a couple of catalyst paste, base paste, impression trays, whitening gels and desensitizing gels. We have got the instructions and mailer package that you use to send impression trays back to the company. Please go through the instructions carefully before starting the process. You mix the two pastes together, the catalyst and the base paste. Follow the instructions to make sure you mix it for the correct amount of time and then place it evenly in the impression tray. Then take impression. I set the timer to make sure I do it for the recommended time because this paste sets very quickly. And the dental impressions look something like this. Then fill up the return impression card, insert the card and the dental impressions in the envelope and send it back.
You pack it, send them off and then wait for your whitening trays to arrive. After a week or so, I received whitening trays in the mail. So this is the box that you receive. And inside it, you have your top tray as well as bottom tray.
Insert a small strip of whitening gel inside the tray. Put it on.
So you can use the whitening product between 45 minutes to 3 hours every day. I used it only for 45 minutes each day and saw a huge difference. So after I finished with the whitening part of the process, I would rinse my mouth with water, wash the trays, dry them off and then start the very important process, which is desensitizing your teeth.
Similarly, use a small strip of desensitizing gel on the tray and keep it on for 15 to 30 minutes. After using desensitizing gel, don't rinse your mouth because it's good for your teeth to have it on.
So it closes the pores and lock in the whitening ingredient and it further prevents the staining from tea, coffee or any other staining foods in general. So some people have very sensitive teeth and they might not use all these whitening products, but with Smile Brilliant they have their desensitizing gel and their product is very mild compared to other in the market and it is very effective. So this kit is around $150, so this is way less compared to what we pay to dentist. So I'm quite happy with the professional quality products of Smile Brilliant. After using Smile Brilliant, I have seen huge difference in my teeth. So you can easily tell how effective and gentle Smile Brilliant products are. So now I smile more often and I feel my smile is much more bright. I hope this video has answered all your questions related to using whitening product at home. If you found this video useful, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to check more information related to Smile Brilliant, discount codes as well as giveaway in the description box. So I'm going to take your leave now. Till the time we meet again, keep smiling and keep it white.